Hello, welcome to another AQA exam question. This is from the summer 2022 paper 2, so it is a calculator paper. It says a shape is made by joining a right angled triangle to a rectangle, and we're being asked just to work out the area of the shape. And this is a 5-mark question, so that would indicate there's a decent amount of work to do for this. And also think about the fact that you're being told that triangle is a right angled triangle, so think about where you may come across right angled triangles within your geometry based questions. So if you pause your video and have a go. Okay, so this is what's known as a compound shape, which is where you're joining two shapes together. So we're going to just start with the triangle part of this, because this is the easy bit really. So remember, with a triangle it's always base times height divided by 2, or half base times height to find the area. So the triangle is 240 centimeters squared. So if you've done that, you've already got 1 mark. Now the issue with the rectangle is we've got this missing side here, so this dotted line here, or this side at the bottom if you consider it from that point of view, and that's where the join is to this right angled triangle. And then that's where we need to bring in some Pythagoras, because Pythagoras can help you to find any missing side on a right angled triangle. So this side would be the hypotenuse on this right angled triangle. That's because it's directly opposite the right angle. So when you are working out the hypotenuse, you need to square both sides, add them together, and then square root. So if we do 30 squared, add 16 squared, that gives us 1156. And if we square root that, that is going to give us 34 centimeters. So we now know that the missing side on the rectangle is 34 centimeters. So we can now do the rectangle's area. So 52 times 34 is going to give us 1768 centimeters squared. So now we can add that to our triangle area. So 1768 add 240 is going to give us 2008 centimeters squared. So on to questions like this, there obviously is a lot to do, as indicated by the 5 marks. Some little tips for you: every time you do a new step, do a new line. Also use little labels to help you. So you'll notice here I've written that that's the triangle there, that's the missing side there, that's the rectangle there, and that's the total. This will help you to ensure that you don't miss any part of the problem, and also it will make sure that you don't mix up any important pieces of information. And here is the solution that the exam board provided to this problem.